Hello, if you could subscribe or like this video or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I've not touched my 6-cylinder Major in a while. So I need to make something to go from the Major air cleaner to the 6-cylinder manifold. So this is a pipe off a old Combine. I had like a joint and came into this end. So this is right size. This is bigger than this as well. So here's the bonnet line. As you see, is not much clearance there, so it's not much clearance for a joint, a big joint to go there, then go down. So what I've come up with, I found this piece of offcut has the angle cut there ready. I've drilled a hole saw hole in it, just a tad smaller than that, so I have a bit of meat there to weld. So that now, plan is literally just make it just the width of a Jubilee clip, so it just about fits underneath there. Then I'll blank this end off. I'll also blank this, but I drill a hole saw in the blank first. Because it's on angle, it's a bigger, so the pipe should fit inside this. So I'll make a hole saw there, I'll weld a piece of pipe there, and I'll make a conversion into there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut literally just enough off. So literally just enough for the Jubilee clip and maybe a bit of weld. So it just takes up a bit more there, so I can put a Jubilee clip there, and it'll basically touch each other and the pipe just seals it. Nice to just have something done to this. I haven't done something to it in a while then, but one little step forward then. So I've cut a little ring of that. See, there's a bit of meat inside. I didn't have well, next old drill hole saw up was quite a bit bigger, but it's a bit better to have a bit more meat there, so if I'm welding it doesn't burn through. See, it's only a tad more than the clip there, so I've got a bit of place to weld. So it's a minimum low, we call it, low profiling, with minimum height then. Okay. Anyone having the same problem, it's see about 3 by 2 roughly. I'm sewing some 2-inch flat bar now to blank this off. So I still have a box section set up as my bonnet line. As you see, it's very close. This is why I made this start. So I can just about get the Jubilee clip on the top bit now, and I'll definitely get it on the bottom bit and put it so it rests against each other. And bonnet will just about have enough clearance on it. Next now I need to find some rubber pipe for a Major and see where it sort of goes and how long it is, to see about cutting this back and making this you know, a pipe on this again on the back. I've blanked the front bit, so the engine side is finished now. But if someone else is doing a 6-cylinder conversion and the manifold the same as this, you know, not much clearance, hope this is some help for you. Okay, goodbye from me for now then.